kind of crazy right now. The lens is really, there we go, the most gorgeous pair of heels that I've ever seen, ever owned, or ever held in my hand arrived today. I was trying to do a very aesthetic unboxing video for it, but I was so excited about it that I was just freaking out, just saying, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. So now I have to turn it into a longer video for the channel. But before that, hello, it's Little Miss Heinrich. If this is your first time seeing my face or the first time seeing my channel, hi. On my channel, I do talk about thrifting. I talk about my high heel collection and beautiful heels. I talk about winter fashion and fall fashion and heavy, thick trench coats. I also do the occasional makeup video. So hi, if you like beautiful shoes, especially beautiful high heels, then you should consider subscribing. This isn't like a professional official video. This is just because I was so excited about these heels. So I look a little crazy and it is raining outside and you will probably be able to hear that. I thrifted a pair of shoes that I've been eyeing for the longest time, and it's been so hard to find them in my size, and they just got here today and they are so pretty that I was speechless when I opened this box. Like always, I'm gonna do a short form video for these shoes for the unboxing and then I'll talk about them later, but I could not wait. The pictures I've seen of these shoes online do not do it justice. I love these shoes because of the color and the design of them, but I never knew that these shoes had such, look at that. Oh, I didn't know that these shoes had such a pearlescence to them. But now that they're here in person and I see it, that is so gorgeous. It's so pretty that I have to whisper. It's so pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. Even the camera is not even doing it justice. This is so pretty. In case you're unaware, these are the medium heels from Betsy Johnson, but they are in the style blue floral, which I can tell you it has been so hard to find these shoes in my size with the blue floral. There's another blue with a different accent color. It might be green or yellow, but I wanted these and it's been so hard to find them. And I can certainly say that now they're here, I'm so glad that I was being really picky and specific about it because these are gorgeous. I have to go put these on immediately. Aren't they so gorgeous? Okay, anyway, hopefully I'll be able to have the actual short form unboxing video up at some point. I hope you enjoyed looking at those heels as much as I did. I hope that you have a good day or night, evening, afternoon, dawn or dusk, twilight or midnight, or whatever part of the world that you're in, whatever time zone you're in. I hope you have a good whatever that is. Bye.